Some of you folks may or may not know that wherever I go, whether it's Indiana or Oklahoma, I'm in my car. I'm one of those people that I just don't fly. I'm afraid to fly. I don't mind flying once a year just to catch up on my drinking and my praying. There's no such thing as a safe airplane. At 30,000 feet, if something comes loose and falls off, it's pretty much over. It's not like you can go, shh. Where's that noise coming from? That could be the muffler. I mean, you know. Remember some years ago, remember the plane that crashed into the Hudson River up in New York? Remember they made a movie about that? We know what brought that plane down. Birds. Visualize this. We're talking about an airplane. This was an airplane. This was an airplane. An airplane. Not a kite. An airplane knocked out of the sky by some birds. It was birds. Not a deer. I mean, it's like birds. Like, listen, and this is an actual quote from the pilot. As you know, the pilot's name was Captain Sully. This is an actual quote. The moment I saw the birds coming, I knew there could be trouble. The last time a bird hit my car, who do you think went down? I mean, listen. Case closed. Almost every week of my life, I pull out of my driveway headed out on some trip. Not once has any member of my family followed me to the front door going, "Be careful now, there's birds out there." Oh, by the way, when my cousin hears me tell that story, he says, it wasn't birds, it was geese. And I said, look, geese are part of the bird family. And he goes, well, I'll be down. Hell, you mean they all was related? I didn't know it. It was so.